Ashlyn. I'm from Rosa Lee Boutique in Anniston, Alabama. If you're new here, you can find us on www.shoprosalee.com. We have a website and we also have an app. It is Rosa Lee Jewelry and Clothing. So today I am showing you our newest product that we're going to be selling. It is this Rose Gold Blowout Dryer Brush by FoxyBae. I use one of these personally, so I use this every time I wash my hair, and that's why we thought we needed to start selling them. So this is what the box looks like. It's really nice and large, and then this is the product. So this is actually a blow dryer with a brush attached. So like if you love to get a blowout at the hair salon, you can do it at home now, and you don't have to use both hands, which is fantastic because I cannot use a brush and a blow dryer at the same time. So it does have 3 settings. It's got cool, so if you want it cool, I don't recommend that, or 1 for like a low blow, and then 2 for a more powerful blowout, and that's what I'll be using is the 2. I have naturally curly hair, so it takes me a lot of pulling and trying to get the curl out, so that's why I'll use a higher powered one. So we also have this Cool AF heat protectant spray. Use this every time you use it to protect your hair from heat, of course. So I'm going to spray my whole head with this before I use it, and I'll show you just step by step of how to do it. So beware of what's about to come out of this clip, okay? And again, naturally curly hair. So this is what my hair looks like. The key to using this tool is to have your hair 85 to 90% dry. If your hair is just out of the shower or you towel dried it, it is going to take forever to dry and you're not going to be happy with the results. So you do need to make sure it's 85 to 90% dry, which mine is right now. So the first thing I'm going to do is section it off. I'm going to go right here above my ear and go straight back. And then I'm just going to clip it up. You can use a ponytail or you can use a clip. It does not matter. I've just got this little black clip from TJ Maxx. And then, y'all, the before and after is going to be insane. Look at this, okay? So I'm going to brush it out first. And then before I actually turn the blow dryer on, because it's going to be so loud you won't be able to hear me talk, I'm going to show you what I'll do. I always start on my left side, no reason, I just do. But you're going to take it and you're going to take a small section of hair, just drop my brush on, and you're going to put it up close to your root, and you're going to pull, and as you pull, you're going to spin. I can't do it when it's not on or else it will get stuck. But that's, you'll see. So you need to get it close to your root. That's the key to get your root straightened out, okay? So I'm going to do that all the way across the bottom layer of my hair. So here we go. And you just twist it to turn it on. Okay, so I just did the bottom layer of my hair, and you can see what a difference it made. It went from frizzy curly to straight, and it's got volume, and it's shiny, and this is why I love this tool so much. Like when I'm done, I will not use a straightener, curler, anything. I'll be good to go. So next, I'm just going to take off another section. This time I'm doing like, starting at like my temples and going straight back. So it's still not a huge section of hair, because again, the more like, to get a smoother, straighter finish, you want to use a small section of hair. So here we go again, and then for this part by my ears, I'm just going to do the same way, just go up and pull, and just make sure you get it real close to your root. one thing I may have forgotten to mention already is while you're doing it, the key is to constantly be pulling and turning, like turn, pull, because the more you turn it, the smoother it's going to brush out your hair and the straighter it's going to get. So next, I'm going to take out, I'm not going to do the top 2 layers of my hair first. I'm going to wait for very last to do those and get a really thin layer because that's where you're going to see, and you want that to be the most voluminous and the most smooth. So I'm just going to take that top piece of hair and come and flip it over to this side. And this is where you start looking real crazy. And let me get my brush. Okay, and then just going to brush this out and start the same process all the way around this layer. Okay, I'm doing the same thing on the other side, and I'm also doing the back portion of it as I do this too. Just twist it around and clip it on the other side. See, curly hair tangled up. Alright. Okay, so that is a total transformation, as you can see. So next I'm going to do the very top layer. So you're going to part it where you want your hair to part. Mine's right here. I'm going to brush it out. And I'm just going to go for it. Now this one is a little different because this is where it really matters. So you're going to want to take, like I said earlier, thinner pieces of hair, and you're going to go pull it to the opposite side that it's going to fall on, and that's how you're going to get your volume. So I'm going to pull it this way, but it's going to fall that way. You'll see. And there it is. I went from naturally curly, frizzy hair to voluminous, smooth hair. That's what I use every time I wash my hair. If I wasn't stopping to talk to y'all every so often, it normally takes me 15 to 20 minutes, which is fantastic. It saves so much time styling in the mornings, like having to re-curl your hair every day or re-straighten it. So it's just a really, really great tool. This will be available on our website. Again, it's www.shoprosalee.com or our app, Rosa Lee Jewelry and Clothing. You can find it in the Google Play Store or the Apple Store, whatever phone you have. And then that's all. It's just such an amazing tool, and we're selling it because, like I said, we are users of it and we love it so much. So thanks for watching. I hope this tool can help y'all out like it has helped me out, and just go buy it.